say you can't play draft now.
I like when you know some can't play. I bet your girl know.
So yeah, so too. Can't bet for your girl too, you know.
So you give me first move, see table line out there, you know. I have flip a kind.
Go flip a kind then, man. Man, sure. You take first player, man.
Alright. Check me now, regret that.
See your girl, you have big fans still.
Yeah, I lose, man. Looks like the girl pretty, you know, daddy.
Man, play a game if you play a game, yeah, man.
See, you're confused. You're not if this is how you play. You play, man, I'm not thief, man. You think you that man a fever? Look like you don't like your girl a little bit. Alright, you play again. Swear.
Game too early, man.
Yeah, you talk about me don't know if you play a game, and you don't know if you play a game. Watch out.
What go on, sir?
What go on? Come here. You hear it more and pop off, you know. You know, a long time I want to chop off this man, you see me? See how it's a break me again, you see?
Big match this thing up. Think kind of play a thing.
Betting there, in general. I will not change the betting. The girl where I play for.
Like somebody are gonna lose them girl today, but it's not me.
You are going now. I don't flip no kind, you know, because me that win look wild. So I take the first play.
Watch out now. You dead first.
Brain me I use my one.
Some brain I use. And that dead one that.
So when you're in a deep position, you take a deeper chance.
I use that brain.
I say I trap that. So I left you another hole if you a while. I say I trap that.
It's a big oof you get. Big oof you get.
So you don't know the game. Watch your whole of your belly report now. Better player. I rock with that whole of your neck belly tear out the whole brother.
Me never
in the network.
Me never
you can't believe that me do.
Me never see.
So powerful me being of them things, brother. Whole of 6 or 5 take the whole of it. When him go so, bam, bam. Ramp in there, you corner alone if you're a bad man. With about 2 little soldier, you know.
Me not see.
Better put on yo, better take your girl, brother. I play like you want me to say, oof, you're taste, brother. Oh, sorry.
Never say you get two first.
No, I'm gonna ride them game, brother. That's why I'm gonna play, brother. Because you know, see, you're gonna lose your flesh.
So, we have gotten to the end of another short film. I just want to thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for your first time. Leave a like on the video. See great Jutta over there, so we do the same way. Up on your phone. I know what I go on, but in that one, that displayed a bit of directing skills, so it was focused more on directing and making the entire game immersive. So, yeah. And also, thank the members, Barrington, Faith, Emma, and Jason Bryant. Big up on yourself and thank for the support. Always. I shall see you in our next one very, very soon. More members I get, the more I afford my longer length movies because equipment, guys, equipment. I have
Richard,
zero
go
equipment.
on it as a member.
Oh, right, we cannot catch me live, we don't have anything. Richard Brown films up and all that.
Yeah, so I mean that's one of the main things right now, membership. And we have plans in place where we want to put forward things to the persons who are paid members. You see me? You want to say something to them before I go and talk to them?
Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know. Beautiful people out in the world, you know what I mean? No one will be left behind, you know what I mean? We keep on blazing the fire. So, you know, a lot of things go on. You want part 3? Yeah man, you can get part 3 you want. But now we're giving you 3 sister, 3 different minds as we edit now. You know what I mean? The work goes on and we have done some collab across the island since we are putting in a lot of work. So who then on the island, some people that see it in some place from what we tour the whole, like a fast tour around the island, but they will go straight to St. Thomas. You know what I mean? From Niggle Pine to Moran Pines. You know what I mean? Well,
So, yeah, I had a
the right girl, you know. The right girl.
So yeah, people, please remember to like the videos. I catch myself when I focus there. Like the videos, check out previous content, so you're up to date with everything. Remember, if for your first time, definitely subscribe and everybody leave a like on the video, please. See one more after them there. Spoonie. Anyhow, big up on yourself later. We shall see each other very soon.
So, yeah.